Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube Money Made Easy. This is the first class, and if you're here, it means that you're ready to upscale your YouTube journey, and it means that you are interested in investing in your YouTube journey. So, this class is for beginners, like beginners, people that have zero idea about what YouTube is all about, what it's done there, what people do there, and how people make money there. People who have zero knowledge and people who are stuck with their YouTube channel, they've started, but they are stuck somewhere. They don't know how to go about it. This is the right place to be. You are in the right place. My name is Esther Ojochigwe Alexander in full. You can also call me Alexis. Yes, Alexis. So I'm going to be taking you guys on this 90-day journey. Just it's going to be a four-phase class. Yeah, four-phase class. Phase one, phase two, phase three. I call it phase because I don't want to say month one, month two, or month three, but it's a 3 month, course, and we're going to be doing it in 12 weeks, which is every month there's going to be four course classes. That's 4 weeks. 4 weeks for the next month, 4 weeks for the next month, and altogether it makes 90 days. For you to be watching this video, it means that you're ready. You are ready. So my name is Esther Alexander, and like I said, whether you're a complete beginner or you've tried YouTube severally and it's not working, this is the right place for you to be. Today we're just going to be focusing on mindset, setup and clarity. Three things: setup, mindset, and clarity. That's just what we're going to be focusing on today's class. I'm going to be running you through what you're going to gain in the course entirely and what you're going to achieve in the next 90 days. I'm going to be picking out my main points that I listed from my tab, just in case you see me looking down. So you're going to be learning how to start your YouTube channel from scratch. Like if you don't have a YouTube channel at all, we're going to be teaching you how to start from scratch. Secondly, you're going to learn how to grow an audience from zero, like from zero to what? 1,000. That's what you're going to be getting in this course. Thirdly, you're going to learn how to monetize your content even beyond the YouTube AdSense. A lot of us are only waiting for AdSense before we start making money on YouTube. There are other ways to make money on YouTube aside AdSense. And lastly, how to build a channel that makes money consistently. That's what we're going to be talking about in the course entirely. And for the next 90 days, we are going to be achieving setting up and branding our professional YouTube channel. You're going to be able to set up and brand your YouTube channel professionally. You're going to be able to create viral ready content without expensive gear. Now, the most important thing about this class, like I said, is for beginners. That's people who have nothing aside their smartphone and want to start a YouTube journey. You get it. Another achievement or goal for our 90 days is to reach 1,000 subscribers and of course get our 4,000 watch hours in order to get monetized. And lastly, I would also talk about for people who are shy, who would not want to show their faces in their videos, but also, explore faceless content or personal branding. You can actually make money on YouTube without showing your face. You can also make money as a personal brand without necessarily showing your face on your channel. So these are all of the things that we hope to achieve at the end of this 90-day challenge. And maybe you're going to get your channel monetized or maybe add other channels to the list of channels you want to get monetized. Let me first of all fix your mindset. Before we dive into all of these strategies, let us fix our mindset. Remember, I said that this week we're just going to be looking at setting up, clarity, and mindset. This is a disclaimer. A lot of people have this notion that people who make money more on YouTube are entertainers or skip makers. My darling, YouTube is not just for entertainment alone. YouTube is for both information, education, and entertainment. So people who are into entertainment, yes, they go viral a lot, but that doesn't mean that's the only way to make money on YouTube. And that doesn't mean that's the only people that exist in the whole platform. You're getting it all wrong. So let's clear that away from our mindset before we go on. Next, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. If you're not aware, be aware today that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. If you treat YouTube like a business, it's definitely going to pay you like one. But if you treat it like something you just want to be dumping content, that's exactly what it's going to be for you. Another thing you need to understand, which is part of the mindset that you need to, establish, is the fact that YouTube growth might be slow, but trust me, by the time you hit the monetization button, it's going to be like a snowball. So don't panic when it's going slow, but the goal is to hit it. And that's exactly why you're in this class today. Another mindset that you should have while embarking on this journey of getting monetized on YouTube in the next 90 days is the fact that every video is an asset and your YouTube channel is the bank. So don't treat any video like it's not relevant. Every video is relevant because you don't know the video that is going to give you the spike and you don't know the video that is going to give you the dip. People who are into like I don't know why am I using this phrase, like I'm teaching you guys forex and crypto. So all your videos are assets and you have to treat them as such. So while we have sorted our mindset out and we have understood what we intend to achieve at the end of 90 days, and we also know what this course entails, let me now tell you about the tools and gears that you need. If you notice, this first class, I am using my natural light. There's no enhancement whatsoever in this video. I didn't use any form of lighting at all aside the natural light, and I'm sitting just in front of my window to get the natural light. As much as the weather is pretty bad, the light is not really that much. No sunlight. This is July, so like there's no sunlight. It's raining, raining, raining every day. But you can still see and feel the fact that natural light, as much as it is small, no matter how small it is, it helps you beautify your videos and gives it this natural pop and look. You don't have to use expensive lighting. If you see behind me, as much as this video is blurry, you can take just a very closer look behind me. You would still be able to see my ring light and my LED 800 behind me. That's to tell you that I am not using any other form of lighting aside the natural light. So you can also use your natural light. So just your natural light is all you need as a beginner. One other thing you need as a beginner is your smartphone, whether Android or iPhone, regardless of the quality of the phone you're using, the model or how small or big your phone is. If it's a smartphone that has a camera, then you're good to go, whether it's an Android or an iPhone. Don't worry about whether you're not using an iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11X. Don't worry about that. If you just have a smartphone, you will be able to start your YouTube channel. Remember, I said that we're going to explore the faceless YouTube YouTube content creation. So whether you don't want to, your phone does not have a good camera, you cannot show your face. You can also make YouTube videos without showing your face. You also need a good microphone. Yes, you need a good microphone. If you don't have money to buy the lapel microphone, don't worry about it. You can still use the normal recording on your phone and then get free softwares that can help you enhance your audio quality. Because nobody wants to be watching a video that they're not really hearing what the person is saying. It's going to really be a turn off. So you just want to make your video audio quality very, very good. So if you have the means, I'm going to show you. This is like the cheapest lapel microphone that you can get in the market. The cheapest that you can get in the market. I'm talking about the K9 microphone. This K9 microphone. Now, this K9 microphone is underrated. The sound quality is good. That's exactly what I'm using. I'm using the K9 microphone. This is a dual, more like a pair. It comes in two, like there are two inside. So this is one of it that I'm using, and this is the second one. This is the second one. So it's a pair, but you can also get this same brand of microphone. That's the K8. It's just single microphone that is inside, just one. You can start with that. I think that one is around 10 to 12,000 naira, while this double or pair is around, this pays around 14, 13, 15,000 naira thereabouts. So you can see that it is more like the cheapest microphone that you can get in the market, because other kinds of lapel microphone are quite expensive. There are other types of lapel microphone. We have the small, it's like a button that you can just put here, your chest or any area of your body, and the sound is going to be absolutely amazing. This one also has a very good sound, but you might just want to start with this. And if you still don't have money to afford this, please, by all means, just use the regular recording on your phone. Just use the normal sound on your phone and enhance it with either an application or a software. That's just what you need. So another thing you will need is a free editing app. And free editing apps, my collections will be CapCut and InShot for a beginner. If you're a beginner, please don't go too far. Just use CapCut or use InShot. InShot was what I started with. It was before CapCut came, I started using InShot, and it was quite, a very beautiful app to use. It was easy to use, easy to navigate, and a lot of it. If you're using your smartphone to start your YouTube channel, then you just might want to go for InShot or CapCut. CapCut offers free version, but of course, the watermark is going to be on the free version. InShot, on the other hand, offers both free and paid version, just like CapCut, both free and paid. But on InShot, you can use the free version without having the watermark. But it's just that you're going to be restricted to a lot of features. But trust me, those features you're being restricted to does not stop you from doing creating content on YouTube. I was using InShot for the longest time without even paying for the premium subscription, and I was getting almost everything that I needed. It's just that, of course, our needs are insatiable as humans, and we want to explore other things. So that's just it. Even CapCut, you can use the free version. What's anybody's business whether there's a watermark on it or not? Are you the first person to use CapCut? Duh. You can start with that, and when you have the means, you upgrade to the paid version. Another app that you need is Canva for creating thumbnails. If you check my channel, you see that I have been investing my time more in creating thumbnails because I noticed that it is very good for my channel and it beautifies it. So you might want to do that. You might want to get a Canva application. Canva also helps you do like a lot of designs for free. Then if you still want to go further, you can now pay for the subscription and use the premium version of it. But the free version also gives you an enabling environment to actually make a lot of designs. Then the last thing I'm going to mention is the YouTube Studio application. Yes, we have the YouTube application on one hand and we have the studio on the other hand. So that studio just helps you track your progress, see your analytics, get insight of what your channel is doing and how it's performing, and just basically see things behind the scenes that is happening on your channel. So that's what the studio app is all about. So you might just want to get that as a beginner. Before we call it a wrap on this particular week, we are going to do our assignment and I'm going to be giving it out today, right now. I'm going to give you a prompt and I will expect that you follow this prompt while sending your assignment or action task. Let's call it action task. While sending your action task, you're going to do it just like this prompt. So the prompt says, "Hi." Okay, let me just tell you what you're supposed to do for me, what I expect to see. So the first thing I expect to see is to define why you want to start a YouTube channel. I expect you to define why you want to start a YouTube channel after watching this video. Secondly, I expect that you set a 90-day challenge for yourself, 90-day calendar for yourself. And this calendar will include your income, what you intend to achieve in the next 90 days in terms of income and also in terms of audience. How many subscribers or followers do you intend to get in the next 90 days? I would also like you to choose your topic area. This particular part, we're going to elaborate more on it in the week 3 of this particular course. The week 3, we're going to elaborate. That's when we're going to talk about niches and niche, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to elaborate on it on week 3. But I'll also like you to just write me a topic area that you want to explore. And then give me 3 names of YouTubers that you admire, or you name 3 YouTubers that you know or you follow. And lastly, commit to your weekly schedule. How often do you want to be posting? Is it weekly, twice a week, 3 times a week, or every single day for a week? Let me know that schedule. So that's it about this week's class. Next week, we're going to dive into our setup, setting up our YouTube channel professionally, branding our YouTube channel, and then walking through the YouTube studio. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I hope that you're going to practice everything that you have learned today. Let me see your action tags in the Telegram group. I'm going to be posting the link just after this video. See you guys in the next class. Bye.